Clearcom IPT transceivers offer dual LEDs to help diagnose connections, synchronization, and verify operational issues. A solid amber light will indicate that the IPT is functioning normally. A solid amber will also verify that the unit is ready for bell pack connectivity. Solid green on the first LED verifies that the connection is okay. Flashing white up to 30 seconds designates there's no IP connection, while a purple flashing up to 3 minutes verifies the transceiver is connected, but the PTP sync is not locked. Now a blinking amber or yellow for up to 1 minute verifies that the PTP is locked, but the unit is not yet synchronized. A slow red flashing at approximately 2 Hz will let you know if the unit is currently overheating. Moving over to the second LED, a double yellow flash indicates that the transceiver is in standalone mode and ready for bell packs. LED 2 will also designate a slow red flashing, but in this case, it'll designate that the power on self-test has failed. Now when initiating a default reset, you'll see a solid red light, and this occurs after pressing the mode button for 12 seconds. And for more detailed diagnostics, make sure to log into the CCM of the Clearcom system. For a comprehensive list of all LED designations, make sure to visit the Solution Finder at the website below. To learn more and locate your nearby representative, visit clearcom.com.